Introduction to Toggl Track.
Toggl Track is a popular time tracking tool designed for teams and individuals. With remote work on the rise, using Toggl Track helps teams monitor productivity and understand how work hours are distributed. In this guide, you'll learn how to set up Toggl Track, invite your team, and use core features to boost remote team efficiency.
Creating a Toggl Track account.
Begin by signing up for a Toggl Track account at the official website. You can start with a free plan, which includes essential time tracking features. After registering, you'll access your dashboard, where you can configure settings and prepare Toggl Track for your team's workflow.
Setting up a workspace and inviting team members.
Create a workspace within Toggl Track to organize your team. From the Workspace dashboard, go to the Members section and enter the email addresses of team members to invite them. Assign appropriate access levels, ensuring everyone can track their time and view relevant reports as needed.
Organizing projects, tasks, and clients.
Within your workspace, set up projects to reflect your team's activities. Add clients if you track billable hours. Break down projects into tasks to capture detailed time usage. Encourage team members to log time to the correct project or task for accurate productivity tracking and reporting.
Tracking time and using timers.
To start tracking, users can use the timer or manual entry. Select a project and task before clicking Start. If a team member forgets to track, they can add time entries manually. Toggl Track is available on web, desktop, and mobile, allowing your remote team to track time from anywhere.
Generating reports and monitoring productivity.
Use Toggl Track's reporting tools to monitor team productivity. Generate reports by project, team member, or date range to see where time is spent. Use these insights to balance workloads, improve processes, and ensure transparency. Export or share reports with your team or stakeholders as needed.
Tips for successful remote team tracking.
Encourage regular time logging and clear project naming conventions for best results. Hold brief check-ins to review reports and address any tracking issues. With consistent habits and open communication, Toggl Track can help your remote team stay organized and productive.